Hello everyone, today I'm here as Q&R phone repairs and accessories. I want us to check on the controversy over the use of multimeter. Here I have a digital multimeter. I said I like it because it is simple to interpret and to use, and also it's cheap. So for my lessons I normally use this because even the labeling, if you check, it is very simple, not complicated. So today I want to talk about the issue of multimeter on testing the voltage or the battery. Most of us knows very well that the current in a phone is AC, so most of people use the AC, but I want to do this video today so that you can decide, or I explain to you why I usually use DC and not AC. So we will first of all we will start with checking on our multimeter. I'll even need a book so that we check on the interpretation of the multimeter to see if the flow will be how we want it. So first of all, I'll connect our phone into the charger. Don't be worried about the phone because it's a sample for our lessons. So we'll check about our phone charging. Okay, it's charging. That's our phone charging. I'll come to our multimeter. First of all, I want us to check on we will use the DC area. So remember, when you are measuring, negative will be negative is always everywhere, but let's just use the terminals to check on that. So at DC 200, okay, I normally use DC at 20, but let's start from there. We get the value. Okay, so right away there our measurement is not coming. Okay, let's go there and check on it. It is not yet coming. Let's go there and check on this. It is at 4 point, let's just say it is 4.3 because it's changing. So at DC we get it is the direct current. So at there it is 4 point, let's say 4.30. Okay, let's now go to here. What will we get? It is 0.43. So the only value of 0 has changed, so it is 0.43. okay, let's go at 1000. You'll get it is only the variation of the charge, but let's just check and see. It is 5, so it's rounded off to 005. So there we will get 005. That's at DC. Okay, let's go at the AC, which people normally use. I want us to check and know. I know it will be explained to you the reason why I mainly use DCV and not ACV. Okay, let's start at there. Our phone is still connected. Okay, let's check. At DC, it is at 0.09. The first one, it has 0.09. Okay, is it actual 0.0? Let's check. It is 0.09. Okay, let's go at 200 and check what we will get. It is 0.9. It is 0.90. Okay, let's come to our battery. On our battery we can use this or this, but let's first of all use this. Here we have found it. I want to check on this controversy so that you can tell me, as in kama ni wewe, if it is you, which one will you be using, DC or AC? Okay, this is our battery. This is our battery. Okay, let's start with, on our battery we will start with this side. We check and we go again, look at the battery and see which value are they writing there. You are being told mostly you use the DC. So today I want to check on the controversy. I want you to tell me which one do you use. Do you normally use DC on phone or AC? Me, I normally use DC, but it is required you use AC. So on our battery it is 8.5. 8.5. Our battery, it is 0.85. Okay, let's go to 750 and see what we will get there. I want you to check the reading. Okay, what we are getting there is 009, the same with the first one. I want you to check on the interpretation of the multimeter, and we see what values and which one should we use. Okay, at there it is 004. There, if we start from the third one, it is 004. Aya, let's go to 200. Let's go to 200. 0 point, let's just say it is 0 point, because it is running mostly at 598. Let's just say it is 0.4. Let's say it is 0.4, because it's not stable, but it's continuously, the value is above 5, so we can just say we round it off. Okay, let's now look at this. It is 4 point. Now that it keeps changing, we'll just say, let's just say it is 4 point. It is 4.24 because it is not stable at 5. Okay, now let's come here. I know those ones won't give the accurate because it is 2000 mm. 2000 m, that's, it is 1. So let's just stop from there. Okay, these are our measurements as it was given. We were dealing with it. I want you to interpret and tell me which one is simpler. So these are our measurements. Tell me why, if you come to every battery, if this one rechargeable, model number, let's ignore that. So okay, it is here. Limited charge voltage is 4.3 which is 4.24, meaning it is almost, okay, this is nominal, 3.8. Now who can tell me why they didn't say 0.9 or 008, but they are indicating this? If you check on every battery, even if you check on this, what is the value being given? This is the controversy over use of multimeter has been a very headache. If you check at here, this is 3.87 V. So if you come here, we use the decimals here. Here there is no decimals. Decimals are at battery of 0 point something, 0.00, 0.85, 009. So if you check on mainly on this, the rated and the nominal and the minimal, we normally have the nominal, we have the rated, and then we have what we call maximum or limited. So these are the three. Why are they using these values? while you want to use this. I said, as for me, it's a question being asked mostly in YouTube about the controversy of the multimeter, and whatever I'm always saying is, me, I normally use the AC. So when you are told it's required you use the DC, simply means because AC keeps changing. As you can see the way I was doing it, AC keeps changing, but DC was constant. So it is always advisable, because the current that flows towards anything that is not on the wall is always direct, it's stable, it should not keep changing. But if you check on the AC, the wall energy, the wall current or voltage, it keeps changing. So that's why I normally use DC. Anybody that have ever thought about multimeter, I always use this, though I tell you it's required you use this, but this one is very direct, quick to interpret, it's very reliable apart from this. So tell me down there, which currency do you normally use? Q&R Phone Repairs and Accessories, located in Kisumu Bus Park. That's where we give our services. Thank you.